Hello, Brendan from Arts Care here. I'm going to ask you to join me in a song. For this one I've raided the kitchen cupboard and I've found some hundreds and thousands. And I've found from my spice rack some coriander seeds which have been hanging around rather longer than they should have been. I think they're time to replace these ones because I don't use them all that much. Some cloves, just in case. I won't say what they're for. Well, hot whiskey, but not very often. And these are very old as well. So we've got coriander seeds, clove seeds. Doesn't matter what's in them. The important thing is the sound. I think the hundreds and thousands are best. That's how you play them. What do you hear? That's a sort of subtle one. That's a sort of slightly musical one. That's the cloves. Okay. So, what are we going to do with these? What we're not going to do is what I did when I was downstairs. I was shaking a box of salt and I hadn't closed it properly, so I had salt all over my work surface that I had to brush up. But anyway, moving onwards. Oh, here comes the Jack the dog making sound with his claws coming in here. He's keeping me part of the tune too. We're going to have an uplifting song. We're going to start off with this. This is the rhythm we're after, so I'll start this off and you join in with me on this one. You got that yet? Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. I woke up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds now sit by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Keep her lit. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Woke up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds now sit by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. That's one to sing with a smile on your face. Everything sounds better when you sing with a smile on your face anyway, so. There you go, Three Little Birds. Hope you enjoyed that. Thank you.